Ever struggled to apply caulk smoothly, only to end up with messy seams, wasted product, or aching hands? If so, it is time to upgrade to the best cordless caulking guns. These tools are game changers for professionals and DIYers alike, making sealing and adhesive application faster, cleaner, and much easier. Whether you are sealing windows, filling cracks, or waterproofing your bathroom, these cordless caulking guns offer precision without the hassle. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check them out and find the one that fits your needs best. Let's get started. Number 5. Vishigh 2-in-1 Cordless Caulking Gun. Vishigh offers a 2-in-1 cordless caulking gun that aims to give users the best of both worlds, support for both 10-ounce cartridges and 20-ounce sausage packs, along with 2 included batteries for extended use. This model caters to those looking for more capacity and flexibility in a cordless design without a complex setup. Equipped with a drip reduction feature, the gun pulls the plunger back the moment you stop pressing the trigger, helping to avoid unsightly messes and adhesive waste. Number 4. Albion Engineering DL59 T13 Deluxe Manual Bulk Caulking Gun. For professionals working with bulk caulking applications, the Albion DL59 T13 is a classic example of superior engineering and practicality. This 30-ounce bulk caulking gun is built for high-volume work, making it ideal for commercial use or large-scale sealing tasks. Its heavy-duty steel barrel and thrust ratio of 375 pounds-force ensure it handles thick materials and long runs without issue. One standout feature is its double leather piston system, stiffened by steel washers. This design provides excellent suction for both loading and dispensing, resulting in smooth, uninterrupted flow and minimal waste. The sturdy square drive rod and full epoxy-coated handle enhance durability and user comfort. Additionally, the tool comes with a half-inch metal nozzle designed for abrasive materials, making it suitable for concrete, masonry, and industrial adhesives. Though it lacks the automation of cordless units, this model thrives in reliability and ease of maintenance. It is particularly beneficial in settings where power tools are not practical or where precision and control outweigh speed. It is also versatile enough to accept various cartridge sizes with the right adapters. Number 3. Rexel XB Cordless Caulking Gun. For those seeking cordless performance without the premium price, the Rexel XB Caulking Gun offers a surprising level of functionality and versatility. Designed to be compatible with DeWalt 18 and 20-volt batteries, this tool brings electric convenience to users who already own DeWalt gear but want a more affordable option than official models. The Rexel XB Caulking Gun features 4 variable speed settings that let users adjust the flow rate to match different application needs. Whether you are working on delicate sealing lines or applying thicker adhesive beads, the speed control helps maintain a consistent output. Number 2. Albion Engineering Company B26S 20B Line Caulking Gun. If your projects require thick adhesives or need a tool that performs flawlessly in cold conditions, the Albion B26S 20 Caulking Gun is worth serious consideration. Although not cordless in the electric sense, this manual model has earned a loyal following for its smooth, consistent pressure and high thrust ratio. It handles 20-ounce sausage packs and can be adapted to fit smaller cartridge sizes, offering great flexibility across a range of tasks. What makes this tool stand out is its 26:1 drive ratio, which delivers up to 900 pounds of force. This means you can push thicker materials with ease, something many electric models can struggle with. The barrel is made of aluminum, ensuring lightweight handling without sacrificing durability, and the rotating swivel design provides excellent maneuverability in tight spaces or tricky angles. Another strong point is the grip. With a full-sized handle and double gripping plate technology, users get maximum leverage without hand strain. Number 1. DeWalt 20-volt Max Cordless Caulking Gun. When it comes to performance, control, and design, the DeWalt 20-volt Max Caulking Gun earns the top spot for good reason. Built for serious users, This tool offers reliable power and functionality that outperform many manual and cordless alternatives. Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful, please like the video and also don't forget to subscribe our channel.